a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
I can't believe how much squelchy mud I've got between my tyre treads.
I'm totally splattered.
Well, I'm completely covered in mud from boot to bonnet.
Oh, Diggs, how do you always manage to get the dirtiest?
Oh, it's a gift, Kerry.
Oh, I've got an idea. Let's get rid of all this lot and then come back and see if we can get as dirty as Diggs.
Ha ha! Dream on, dumper boy.
Come on, Carrie!
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Oh, what are you up to, old friend?
I have just completed my latest invention. All I need now is someone to test it.
Is that the time? Well, I really must be going.
But look, you only just... The little new machines. You will do perfectly.
Do what?
Test out my new invention.
What is it?
A dream, and it is called the car wash.
Your body gets so dirty when you're clearing soil and rocks. You'll feel all warm and squirty when you drive into the box. It's warm, fun and flashy, a trip you won't forget. All dreamt up by Carl, and it's his best invention yet.
Car wash,
Bring on those suds.
car wash,
Take off that mud.
car wash,
Bring out that shine.
car wash.
Won't cost a dime.
You're feeling tired and achy cause you've all been working hard. You'll feel so wide awakey as you drive back to the yard.
Car wash,
Invigorates.
car wash,
Oh, it feels so great.
car wash,
Takes off that grime.
car wash,
It feels so fine.
car wash,
Oh, roll out the suds.
car wash,
Come on, roll off the mud.
car wash,
It's cool. It's fun.
car wash.
It's number one. And here she is, the car wash. So, who will be my little wash test dummy? Aha! It's the little scooper.
Huh? What? Where? Oh, you two. I like being dirty.
Come on, in you go. So, first we have suds, then the wash and brush up, and then into all those little hard-to-get-at places. And now, the grand finale, the blow dry. This truck is clean.
Not completely.
I'm still dirty. Top gear.
Maybe the setting needs to be higher. So, who's going to be next? Aha! The little Dumpentrucken. And this time, we take it to the max.
He wanted to test it on me.
Oh, calm down, love. I know Carl's inventions can be a bit unusual.
Unusual? His winker-waggler made me drive off the road.
But you're his friend. You should at least try to make encouraging noises.
Like what?
Ah, well, ooh can be good, or ah
Oh, you're right, Maxine. I just hope he's found another machine to do the testing.
Und doors to automatic.
Ah, Carl. There you are. I'm going to need you to do some shifting.
Okay, boss. Keep an eye on my beauty. Oh, and let me know how it was for the little Dumpen token. Lead on, boss.
Do you think that's the wash and brush up or the hard to get at places?
The hard to get at places.
Scooch? Scooch, stop bubbling. Carl wanted me to find out what it was like.
Oh, it's really good. If you like being shaken up like a pile hammer. Oh, sorry.
And he's still not clean.
Oh no. What are we going to say to Carl?
We're going to say, Carl, my friend, it's a total disaster.
Oh, but that'll make him really sad. If there was only a way we could tell Carl.
Tell me what?
Carl!
That your car wash isn't very...
Good.
What? But that's exactly the kind of thing I need to know.
Really?
Well, how does an inventor know what to do right if he doesn't know what he's doing wrong?
That is so true.
I'm glad you think so, Carrie, because I would like you to be my next little tester. I will just make some adjustment. I think I know what the problem might be. In you go.
Ooh. Ah. Oh dear, that doesn't sound encouraging at all. Try again. Ooh. It looks like it works. Well done, old friend.
Oh, thank you, old friend.
Well, if you really want to hear the truth, Carl,
Scooch?
new machines don't really like being clean.
Oh dear. Then what about if I invented the Carl Unwash?
Turbo?
Showers of muddy mud on squirty slime.
Squirty slime.
What do you think, Lug?
Oh.
Lug?
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.